Riding a tuk-tuk in Bangkok for many is a rite of passage, or at least something to check off your bucket list. So how does one go about riding a tuk-tuk? And what are the do's and don'ts? These questions and more will be answered. But first, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And do not forget to ring the notification bell. Before the tuk-tuk, there were human-powered rickshaws. As rickshaws evolved from foot to pedal, the next logical step was to add a motor. The tuk-tuk was born. The name tuk-tuk, or Tuk Tuk, is believed to come from the sound the motors made as they made their way through the city streets of Bangkok. At one time, tuk-tuks were a common way for people and goods to get around. Today, however, tuk-tuks are primarily used for tourists. Here's what you need to know. Number 1. Tuk-tuks are the best for short trips and should be avoided for long journeys or when the traffic is bad. Number 2. Always agree on the price of your ride before you get into a tuk-tuk and expect to haggle. Your driver will likely quote an initial overpriced fare, anticipating that you will knock him or her down to at least some degree. Tuk-tuks are unmetered, so in general, you will be a little bit more expensive than a taxi, but shouldn't cost much more than the equivalent fare in a metered taxi. Number 3. Be wary of scams. Some tuk-tuk drivers will get kickbacks from businesses if they bring passengers to their establishment. All you have to do is turn down any offers to stop at a business on the way. A polite "no thanks" with "just get me to my destination" will save you from a potential scam. Avoid taking tuk-tuks during peak hours. Bangkok has some of the worst traffic in the world, and the last thing you want is to be stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic. Number 5. Finally, when you're on your ride, take care of your belongings and keep an eye out for bag snatchers on passing motorbikes. You're unlikely to fall prey, but it pays to stay alert. Bonus tip. There are tuk-tuk tours you can take to explore Bangkok in more depth, from food tastings to exploring Chinatown. Many travel agencies in Bangkok will be happy to arrange these tours. They can even custom a tour just for you. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and make sure to ring the notification bell so you will not miss future videos. Till next time, happy and safe travels.